Hello all, welcome to this lecture series on virtual reality in automobile engineering. In previous video, we were discussing about definition of virtual reality. Now, to understand virtual reality, we need to understand three I's of virtual reality. Virtual reality or the design of virtual environments is standing on major three pillars. That is what called three I's of virtual reality. Those are interactive, immersive, and imagination. Now, going into detail one by one, the interactive part is basically you are trying to create man-machine interaction. The human will be wearing few virtual reality goggles or headset or communicating into the environment, and machine will be handling your environment virtually. So, interaction of that is very important. In terms of functionality, VR must be responsive to the user by the inputs of some gestures, maybe the commands, voice commands, head movements, postures, all those things will come into picture. And your environment or virtual reality application should be interactive as much as it can, and the man machine interaction is very important. Going on to the second one, that is your immersive. The immersion is something what makes VR feel real to the user. So when we say we are using virtual reality and it feels like a real environment, that means it is a good immersive environment. Okay, so finding exciting ways to create the 3D image which can appear or sound appears to surround the user, that is what important when we talk about immersive. So taking people to the new world, increasing comfort and simplicity by which you can create a good experience for the user for the specific application. That is what the major objective of the immersive uh, environment is. Okay. The third one is imagination, and for imagination it's basically the new technology, and you need to find new ways to demonstrate or experience the storytelling or the environment creation or the application which you are focusing on. So there are infinite number of passive possibilities when you try to design an virtual environment. So there is no standard way to specifically plan your virtual environments or the application in which you are thinking to implement your specific application. So your mind's capacity to perceive non-existent things is endless. So you can try n number of ways, n number of possibilities to design a specific virtual reality environment. Okay, so these are the major or three eyes of virtual reality which on which your virtual environment or the application will focus on, or maybe the three pillars, that is interactive, it should be immersive, and it should be imagination. Okay, so this is all about this video. If you like this content, do subscribe my channel and keep following this playlist for more videos on virtual reality. Thank you for joining.